Hi, I'm Sanjana and I'm working for Accenture Solutions Private Limited. I wanted to do masters abroad because I wanted to grow further in IT field. I have received my admit from 5 colleges, University of Texas at Arlington, which is where I finalized. Over Google, I found Galvanize Test Prep app. So I downloaded that app. So I found there were a lot of variety of questions within a single topic. So that is when I decided, since it's so helpful, I'll enroll for Galvanize. The mock tests of Galvanize were great. It was just like another GRE. I took it very seriously. So how much ever I scored in the mock, it was around the same I scored for my GRE. And the best part about the mock is, experts sit and review it and find out which is our weak area, and they give the feedback. So, and they do it quickly, so that we'll have ample amount of time to work on that feedback before we take up the next mock. As soon as we enroll for Galvanize, we'll have a mock test. So based on our score of quant and verbal, whoever mentor who's assigned to us, they will give us the study plan. My course manager was Triveni, which was always on calls. She was continuously calling me, and I am a working professional. So I was very busy with work. So I was not able to take my mock. So she was pushing me to take my mock time and again. They are the ones who motivate us and keep us on track. First of all, give ample amount of time for preparation of GRE since you're busy. If you want to write it in August, it's better to start preparing well in advance, something like Feb or March. We will not have time to go attend classes every day. Or even in the weekends, probably we'll wake up late and classes will be early. So I feel online is better. The best thing about Galvanize admission counseling is the fact that they're very straightforward. So they will not give us colorful pictures. So they will give us accurate pictures based on the scores that we get and our experience, based on our overall profile. They will shortlist the universities for us. The best thing is we have to do everything on our own, and they're going to review it for us. I have had 3 rounds of reviews for SOP and my resume and LORs and all. They try to make your profile look perfect to the universities, and nothing is color coded.
I'm Mrs. Bharti Suresh. I'm Sanjana's mother. I'm Sanjana's father. My name is Suresh. Actually, I'm so much delighted she is in touch with you. She came to know, I think, some through website. Always she is remembering you people, your service, your counseling, your advice. Because of you only she got admission from so many universities. She applied for 7 universities, out of which she got admission from 5 universities. She decided to join Texas Arlington.